Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add the location on an Instagram post after uploading it. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile. Select the post on which you want to add location. So I would select this one and then click the three dot icon on the top right corner of your post. And here you just simply click on edit, and at the top of the section, at the top of the username, here you see the add location option. So simply click on that and then simply type your location. And after typing your location, simply select that and then click on the check mark. That's it. Now you will be able to add the location on Instagram post after uploading it. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.